I bring it literally everywhere with me. So from a first visit where I scan existing conditions that then translate into me never needing to go back to that site while I'm in my design process. I missed a measurement on a window. Subcontractor who's bidding has some obscure question that I don't get in the car. You're doing yourself a disservice not to have this information. When you have client and then multiple stakeholders across the project, architect, engineer, general contractor, you have various subcontractors that have their leads. We'll do progress scans on jobs like these. So as the size of the job and the complexity of the job increases, I tend to scan more so that we can use the Matterport scan as a tool in weekly meetings. So that's the thing to me where I find it to be very, very powerful. I don't care if it's AutoCAD, Revit, whatever it is, it allows me to reference anything I need in real time. When you're talking about existing conditions and you want a plan that you can, trace over or import directly into AutoCAD, it's a click away. You head over to the Exports tab, one click, you can order your AutoCAD full dimensions, gives you window and door locations, every room is dimensioned, all the heights are accurate, so you're getting your elevations as well. Takes a day if you rush it, 2 days if you don't. But again, even while you're waiting for that file, you're working on other things. Using Matterport at the right time for the right purpose has reduced my cost and increased my efficiency incredibly.